Hey guys, so today we're gonna be doing a video. Don't forget, if you want to do giveaways, my fan code is WAT5. I do tons of giveaways and everything. I own every single item in the game to do a giveaway. So if you want anything, plus I've got every OG item too, and I'm rich. So just join my code, and you may have a chance if I'm in there to get something. Say, hey, I know your YouTube channel. But yeah, I'm going to show you the new method to the new app. So what you're going to need is a thing to mine. You don't have to have a ray gun. Preferably a grappler. And a bag. And a light for the sake of this video. I don't usually take a light, but so you guys can see better. I'm getting called in the middle of the video. This is why I can't do videos. As soon as I get online, I get called. Yeah, you see this? This may change really soon. But, here. It's going to go all the way down. You can see by the light that it just stretches. It's a good way to test if it's a dead end or not. You see this one? It should be the one with the blue glare. You see it? See this one? This one doesn't have anything. It's the only open one down here, and it has a blue glare as of right now. And you want to come this way. You should see this, but there's like a pillar this way, and you'll know because it immediately turns right, and you'll see this little black gray thing with sludge. As you go forward, there should be a path, and you should just see a bunch of wires. Yeah, you see them? Okay, now I don't need this. Now, some of these flips, so you gotta be careful when you're doing the parkour, like legitimately. Some of these flip. Yep, just like that. It might be these two. I'm not sure which ones it is. Yeah, it's these two. So you gotta be careful with these two. They flip. So, oh yeah. You can't do anything on them. And then you come into this room over here. And you see the big planets. Not the big ones, but there's planets. So these ones make you small. Those are important later, but I'm going to show you the most important way that people are probably going to go first. That's why I told you to do the ground. Mining material, you don't really need it, but like, you can keep it in farms. Look, I have. Okay, so I think that must be one of the after. Then we got the brand new broccoli. And then we get the big ones. The tiny ones will already showcase them, but like. I have a full bag of tiny ones. Kind of cool. You can get smaller than a pixel tiny ones. Be super cute. Super cute and tiny. Yeah. Here's all the big boys. And so here's how to get back home, right? So you want to grab one of these. Yep. Two of these. Yep. You should be kind of tiny, right? But you see, this is the map. Touch the map, you hand, you're not so tiny. You can see my grappling line. You see that? If I grapple onto something, it literally does nothing. Look. The grappler stops grappling. But yeah, dude, you're basically just massive. Here's a ray gun. How fully charged up blue ray gun does. Look here, look, watch this. Oh, so you have way more HP too, so like it's impossible to take you out. You're basically just the biggest of backs. And you know that broccoli makes you big. Yeah, here, let me get it back. I only want the tiny ones. I know, I just want to show you these. I didn't really get to showcase them. Yeah, you see, look. For reference, here's the bag. I am literally tinier than this bag. See how big the broccoli is? Well, now bro's spamming me. I gotta shoot, dude. Yeah, but that's... Oh my God. See how here, look. I'll show you the size of it compared to my bag now. Look. I am like the size of, like... Yeah, I'm the size of a pixel. I'm pixel tiny. Look. Yeah, look, you can really see that. Look. This. Also, you have very minimal HP. Like, one bat hit will take you out. Like, a stick will do, like, half your HP. Once you're, like, semi-tiny. It cuts your half in size every single time you eat one. Yeah, you are, like... not that fast. You just like look like you're levitating on your screen. But yeah, back to normal. You can see how big I just got. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's video. And yeah, have fun with that. Do what you want. That's basically a whole new tutorial. Sorry that I'm kind of late on it. Just I had things to catch up with. Okay, bye.